students, continuation for previous class. Now let us discuss about the topic is oceans and continents. If you observe the map or if you observe the globe, the most surface of the earth, it consists of water, which is covered in blue color. It is represented with a blue color is covered with the earth is covered with water. It consists of water as well as landforms. These are landforms. So the water part is nothing but it is covered by oceans. It is covered by oceans, and land part is covered by continents. The land part is covered by continents. Now we shall see how many oceans are there and how many landforms are there, or how many continents are there. Let us have a look. See the globe. So now we will see how many oceans are there and how many continents are there. The first one is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. The first one is Pacific Ocean, towards west and towards east. Pacific Ocean. And the second one is Atlantic Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. And third one is Indian Ocean. Fourth one is Antarctic Ocean. Fifth one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. So, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. And Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean and smallest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Now we will discuss about the continents according to the order wise. So the first one is Asia. Did you see Asia? This part is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. The second one is Africa. Third one is North America. Fourth one, South America. The fifth one, Antarctica. Sixth one, Europe. Seventh one, Australia. So this is the largest ocean in the world. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. And also among the continents, biggest continent is Asia. And the smallest continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. If you observe the poles, the North Pole and South Pole, these all covered with ice. The North Pole and South Pole are covered with ice. This is North Pole and South Pole. These two poles are covered with ice. So the North Pole has a frozen ocean. The North Pole has a frozen ocean. It is called Arctic Ocean. This is called Arctic Ocean. And the South Pole has The South Pole has accumulation of ice. So this is called as Antarctic shield of ice. Antarctic shield of ice. All of you keep it in your mind. The North Pole has a frozen ocean, and the South Pole has a huge accumulation of ice. It is called as a Antarctic shield of ice. So now we are going to discuss about the lines on the globe. If you see globe, there are many lines on the globe. If you observe the globe, there are many lines on the globe. Okay, some lines are running from North Pole to South Pole. Some lines are running from North Pole to South Pole. Some lines are running from North Pole to South Pole. Some lines are running from westwards to eastward. Westward to eastwards. Okay. These lines are imaginary lines. These lines are imaginary lines. These were used by the map makers. Even India also, some of the scientists were used. They are like Aryabhatta were used. These lines were called latitudes and longitudes. The lines which are passing from North Pole to South Pole are known as longitudes. The lines which are passing from west to east, these are latitudes. Did you see? These lines are very much helpful to locate the places on the map. Okay, thank you.